Greetings, greetings, greetings. Me I beg you, do. Not turn your back and it sitting them where you know in your heart are the right thing. Think about it and hold on strong pan where you know right. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, I beg you now, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from Paul's first letter to Timothy, chapter 1, from verse 18 to verse 20. Timothy, me boy pick me. Me I trust you if you do what me tell you if you do. When me I tell you, I they said sitting them, the prophet them, this about you. So remember all of what they say. So you will not give up, but fight like one real soldier. And go and believe in Jesus Christ no matter what. And do what you know in your heart right. Because some people turn them back and where them know in them heart right and mash up them faith in a God. 2 people where this happened to are Hymenaeus and Alexander. Me turn them over to Satan so that them will learn not to curse God. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.